Tired of Telegram Premium and ready to ditch the extra features? Let's quickly show you how to cancel your subscription and save some money. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. This process is virtually identical on both iPhone and Android. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines, often called a hamburger menu, in the top left corner of your screen. This opens up the main menu. From here, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down until you see Telegram Premium and tap on it. On the Telegram Premium page, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll find the Cancel Subscription button there. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Tap Confirm. The wording might be slightly different depending on your device, but the key is to agree to cancel. That's it. Your Telegram Premium subscription is now canceled. You'll likely still have access to the premium features until the end of your current billing cycle, but you won't be charged again. Easy, right? Now you've got your money back in your pocket. Subscribe for more quick and helpful Telegram tips.